When you're in the middle of nowhere and you don't have a lighter, having this wonder can be very useful. Introducing the PS Cook Metal Fire Piston, the ultimate survival fire starting kit that's as cool as it gets. This amazing gadget uses the air energy change of physics experiments to create instantaneous combustions. It's like magic, but better. Whether you're a survivalist, camper, or just love backpacking, this fire piston is your perfect backup kit. Just pair it with char cloth and watch the sparks fly. Its compression ignition is top-notch thanks to 2 dual O-rings on the plunger for added compression. Plus, it's durable, classical, and perfect for any camping trip. The price is a cheap $19. If you're a lover of knives and machetes, then this one's for you. The brand new M48 Ops combat bowie from United Cutlery's best-selling M48 lineup is taking the knife world by storm. The reinforced impact-resistant handle's contoured design offers a strong, non-slip grip that outperforms inferior models, ranging from the powerful full-tang blade design to the military-style reinforced mallet sheet. The Happy Blade is made of rock-solid stainless steel with a non-glare titanium electroplated finish. The partially serrated blade is razor-sharp with a devastating point that will penetrate any target with ease. Every M48 Ops combat bowie is constructed to exacting standards for many years of reliable use and applications. The price is $153. Then there is the Rescuer 5, a new generation of the famous machete of the USSR, the so-called knife of the Soviet Special Forces. It is a versatile tool made of durable steel, resembling a camping axe in shape. It has 5 working edges, including a saw and a strap cutter. The blade is also adapted for working with wire and loosening nuts and screws. It even has a special notch for removing a pot from the fire. The double-sided guard provides good support and reliably protects the fingers from slipping onto the blade. The rubberized plastic handle is known for its reliability and durability. And last but not least, here you have the TigaN hiking machete knife. This reliable gear features a durable stainless steel blade with an additional black coating for corrosion protection. TigaN is capable of chopping, cutting, sawing, and if necessary, even digging. The anatomically designed handle features a finger groove and fits comfortably in your hand. The estimated price of this pair of bad boys is around $55. This one right here is the first FAA-approved commercially available underarm constant wear life vest, utilizing Switlick's signature underarm flotation. When inflated, Switlick's patented underarm flotation technology provides improved mobility, maneuverability, higher freeboard, and superior water channeling when compared to traditional yoke-style bladders. It also provides auto-righting of unconscious aircrew to bring them into a stable, face-up position for unimpeded breathing. As the flotation resides inside the vest, valuable space is added to the front for accessories. The Evolution vest has more than twice the amount of available molly loops than any previous Switlick design. The price of this is $800. Tired of sleepless nights in a cold sleeping bag? Or how about the old tricks of the past, like heating up water bottles, doing push-ups, or chemical packs? The Hot Pocket stores, compresses, and preheats your sleeping bag or quilts, and when you're ready for sleep, open it up, slip it inside your sleeping bag, and enjoy its instant warmth. It'll instantly warm up your insulation so you can get right back to being cozy. It's multifunctional and wireless, so it's perfect for the wild, the soccer field, or the slopes. High-power heat you can feel when it's cold is incredible. Being able to control where it is and enjoy it all night, well, that changes the cold nature game forever. The price is $287. The lightest of the light, the Plex Solo is a sub-14-ounce ultralight tent designed for adventurers who value weight but aren't willing to sacrifice performance or comfort. From through hiking to backpacking to pack rafting, the Plex Solo is a spacious one-person tent that allows you to redefine your boundaries and push your limits. Easily pitching with a single 52-inch or 132-centimeter trekking or tent pole, the Plex Solo is well ventilated and can be set up in even the most cramped of campsites. You're not going to find a lighter, more functional one-person tent anywhere. An optional flat ground sheet is also available for added protection. For more information, visit zpacks.com. This compact and lightweight buck saw right here is a game changer for survivalists, campers, hikers, and backpackers alike. Don't let its small size fool you. This buck saw packs a punch when it comes to performance and durability. Weighing just 400 grams and measuring 16 by 1 inches when broken down, it's easy to store and carry, fitting perfectly into even the smallest of packs. But don't underestimate its power. With a blade length of 320 millimeters and an overall size of 40 by 19 centimeters when assembled, this saw is ready to tackle any cutting task with ease. The MFH Buck Saw features an all-metal construction and a hardened saw blade, ensuring reliability and longevity even in the toughest conditions. Plus, its collapsible design allows all components to be conveniently transported in the handles that double as a storage tube. The price of this is $18. The world's first and only solar, battery charger, and dry box all-in-one. The Pioneer series from Rockpack is the world's first and only product to combine solar charging, battery charging, and rugged waterproof storage into an all-in-one lightweight solution. Built for the toughest conditions, passing military standard 810G drop testing and IP67 waterproof certification, Rockpack gives you the freedom to go anywhere in the world with power. Dual smart USB charging ports with 2.4 amps output each allow for fast charging of any USB device, including your smartphones, tablets, cameras, and GPS units with the 12,000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Isn't that just amazing? The price of this is $159. Alright adventurers, picture this. A power system that's not just modular, but shareable. Not just high capacity, but customizable to fit your exact needs. Forget about single-use power banks or static energy stations. Origin 800 delivers a mighty 800 watts AC output. This powerhouse capability lets you run heavy-duty appliances and electronics on the go, turning your camping trips into glamping experiences and ensuring that you never have to compromise on comfort wherever you go. The Origin 800 transforms power into a flexible, shareable commodity that all of you can use, swap, and distribute however you like. Each battery pack within the Origin 800 is not just a cog in the wheel. It's a fully independent power bank waiting to be unleashed. The price of the deluxe package is $799 on Indiegogo. The EXOMOD series from Gerber Gear is designed for the expeditionary hunter. It's lightweight, stackable, and compact. The EXOMOD Keeper, EXOMOD Drop Point, and EXOMOD Saw are the parts of the kit. You can assemble it to suit your needs by using one piece alone or stacking multiples together. The full tank construction and skeletonized handles are shared features that provide additional strength and durability while working through game. Each piece has an ergonomic grip and control choil to keep the knife firmly in your hand even in disorganized and dim situations. The price of this bundle is $100. In case you haven't noticed, I'm kind of a fan of knives, and personally, I really love this one. The Tracker knife is a versatile and durable tool beloved by outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Its wide curved blade and G10 fiberglass composite handle make it ideal for a variety of tasks, from chopping and slicing to carving and preparing food. With its concave notch and ergonomic design, the tracker knife excels in wilderness tasks such as building shelters, processing firewood, and crafting tools. Plus, the handle ensures safety and stability during use. The blade's wide design enables efficient chopping, while the notch allows for scraping bark and starting fires. The price of this is a well-invested $84. The Campfire Puffy is the most durable puffy available. Wind, water, rock, and yes, even the campfire. With its lensing FR and aramid exterior, you'll no longer need tenacious tape, duct tape, or have unstylish holes ruining your favorite puffy jacket. Whether you're around the fire, caught in the rain, slapped in the face by a gust of wind, or just hiking through a briar patch, this jacket is going to stand up to all the outdoor has to offer. Equipped with PrimaLoft Gold insulation, you'll have the best warmth-to-weight ratio for even the coldest of conditions. Real talk, you'll have an amazing combination of waterproofness and breathability. With 8 total pockets, you'll have endless storage without the bulk, leaving your everyday pockets that are lined with the Microsoft fleece to keep your hands nice and warm. Go and get yours by visiting TigaNdesigns.com. If you're a lamp lover like me, well, you should get the Guardian lamp then. The multifunctional outdoor portable camping lamp is the first one equipped with infrared human body detection. The Shin Guardian lamp offers 3 different lighting modes and combines multiple usage features. With its IP68 waterproof rating and long-lasting battery, it can withstand various harsh weather conditions, designed for the outdoors down to every last detail. Guardian lamp also features a 7-color ambient light, making it suitable not only for outdoor enthusiasts, but also for family trips, camping, and other outdoor activities. The price of this Firefly is just $59. Hurricanes, power outages, emergencies. You will be ready. The Ready Hour 4-in-1 Emergency Solar Flashlight. Lightweight and portable, this rugged unit features an AM/FM weather radio, LED flashlight, 4 LED room lights, and a cell phone USB device charger. Best of all, it requires no batteries and can be powered by hand crank, solar panel, or via USB port. This unit is loaded with the important functions you need during an emergency situation. And the best part is its price is only $30.